right this way. Second, if you would like to take any photos during this performance, you are more than welcome to, but please make sure no flash photography. Third, please silence all your devices and small children if you have any Alright, we will have lots of time to shout and scream though in this particular show because it is a melodrama. How many of you have seen a melodrama before?
Sweetheart ever could. There's a picture of her right here. Isn't she just the prettiest little paddle wheelie you ever set eyes on?
Oh, wait, then that's her! Don't run outside!
Yep, that's her, all right. We're in town for a big riverboat race. There's $5,000 to the big winner. Now, where did Linus get to? He said he was coming to town for a shot of red-eye, and he'd be right on.
Well, Captain, let's drink to your upcoming victory. Drinks are on the house. 200 proof. It'll put hair on your chest. Here's to the Cordelia K!
Say, aren't you Dan Darby of the Southern Belle?
Well, that's right. I'm Dan Darby. Hooray! But I'm sorry to say the Southern Belle is no more.
What? Where is she?
So, some of us were fortunate enough to make it to shore. Others!
That's right, depressing news, son. What do you reckon happened to her?
Well, sir, I believe she was I believe she was sabotaged.
Sabotaged?
Lower your voice.
Sabotage? What are you gonna do now?
Well, actually, with my beloved beautiful boat banished to the bottom, I need a job. I'm a first-class engineer and the #1 first mate.
Have you thought about applying to that new boat I saw docked outside of town? Kind of a spooky-looking rig.
Oh, you mean the Prometheus?
Yeah! Sure.
There's something very strange about the Prometheus!
Yeah! Would you stop doing that?
I'm sorry. Oh, how I wish I had a boat to command. It would be a great thing to win the big race. I could settle down in a little cabin by the banks of the Mississippi River, close enough to see the catfish jumping and I hear the slosh, slosh, slosh of the riverboat passing by my window. Oh, I'd even learn to love the alligators. Dude, never mind, no.
That sounds like a right pretty dream there, son. But you know, it might get a little lonely in a place like that. You may do well to find yourself someone to share it with.
That I would, Captain. And such a vision she would be. Why, I can see her now.
Sounds like they can too.
Lovely hair, soft and flowing. Eyes of a deep blue with lashes long and silky like the wings of a butterfly. And a voice of such haunting and lyrical quality. What?
Oh, far right, never thought I'd not be one of these waterfront dives thirsting for liquor. What would mother say? God rest her soul.
This is his!
To the Southern Belle! Oh! Ooh, hair!
My dearest sweet, I want you to meet my newest friend, Dan Dobby! Formerly of the Southern Belle. And this is my dearest daughter, Helen.
Oh, Father dear, we have no time to waste. I have some distressing news about our engineer Linus Little. Father, Linus is dead. His body was found outside down the window, so face down in the river. And he was riddled with bullets.
Face down in the river! Riddled with bullets! Hey, sounds good, all right.
The only thing left of him was his lucky necklace, which, as it turns out, wasn't so lucky after all.
Jumping catfish, daughter. What do you mean, how are we going to find a man to take his place before today's big race?
Oh, well, perhaps I could be of some assistance.
Well, first, my princes, we got a first-rate first mate right here.
Captain, together you and I shall pilot the Cordelia K to victory.
Those other boats don't stand a chance. Put it in, son. Hey, okay, we'll work on that later. In the meantime, put that on. We're going to need all the luck we can possibly muster up. Now, you got a lot to learn about my Cordelia K, so walk this way.
That's a weird mark, sir.
I apologize.
The Southern Belle destroyed. Linus Little murdered. This looks like the work of that villain, Caldwell
Oh, give me a chance. I haven't done anything. Such Noah. Oh, Caldwell, you cunning rogue. As Lord and Master of the mighty Prometheus, you shall soon rule the entire Mississippi River. My scheme is almost complete. No one can defeat me now. The victory of the big Cadwell race will belong to me. Me, Caldwell Cadwallader. I'm not that impressed with you people either. Who will dare challenge my cunning? Who will dare challenge my evil scheme? Who will dare challenge my roguish good looks?
Well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Caldwell, yours through.
Oh,
Helping you with your dirty deeds was one thing, but you never said nothing about murder.
murder? My dear, how indelicate.
Oh, Caldwell, you like Caldwell. Linus Little is still dead than driftwood. And what's more, your senseless shooting has done nothing to keep the Cordelia K out of the race.
What?
Captain Harmony has already hired himself a new first mate.
Who?
Dan Darby!
Dan Darby? I simply detest cheap audience participation. Oh, shut up. Darby's one of the finest men on the river. Oh, what a wicked town. The Cordelia K has been the thorn in my side missing keys, Sarina. You're in this impossible keys to pull out now. If you walk out that door, I will tell the authorities that it was your rifle that murdered Linus Little. Because it did.
You thief! You villain! You scoundrel! Will you stop at nothing?
No. Now, listen carefully to my plan. I'll with my ingenuity. Get over here. You use this money to bribe the crew of the cave abandoned ship. Then, you know, sir, you really ought to get out more. Oh yes, then I will do it. I will then proceed to destroy the Codini cave once and for all.
However, you are a sneaky, charming, slippery
Flattery will get you everywhere, my dear. When all is said and done, it will be called Beltagonia and the mighty Prometheus, triumphant above all. Excellent! My change. Almost enough for a funnel cake. Something! Hi!
Where is everybody?
Captain Harmony, I've searched everywhere, sir. It seems the crew has deserted.
Oh, then we should go get some dessert before they eat it all.
Deserted means they quit.
Oh, quit! Well, that doesn't. They're all fine.
Sir, I figure we can still beat the Prometheus if one of us tends to the boilers while the other pilots.
Oh, I like your thinking. You steer, I'll tend to the furnace.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. That's incredible.
Now, why would the crew abandon ship before the big race? I don't know. But I'll take a stab at it.
Me too!
Wow, hello there. Oh, good golly, Miss Harmony. My words get all jumbled when I try to talk to you.
Though his God is rough, a kindly heart shines through his noble countenance.
She will leave a perfect jewel to ornament my Prometheus. Heather, Harmony, hyphen, Cadwallader. I shall rid of this compounding tugboat and have the girl as my reward.
Mr. Darby, don't you ever long to live somewhere else besides this old river?
Why, no, ma'am, this river's my home. It's all I know. All I'll ever know. What more could anyone want out of life than this here river?
I've been lots of things, like going to the theater and an opera, dancing till dawn. I'll be Chaplin City, that's where I should like to be.
But, Miss Harmony, didn't you ever notice how the sun lights up the river early in the morning? Why, sometimes it looks like diamonds are streaming all over the wall.
Why, I love diamonds.
There are things that can be found on this old river that can't be found anywhere in the city.
Ahoy, Benjamin!
Oh, chef. Ahoy, Captain! Is everything ready, Captain?
She's all fired up, son. Now that the race is started, man in position so we can beat that devil ship.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hey, we did it!
Well, I beg your pardon, Miss Harmony, but may I see you after the race?
I certainly hope so. Burn.
Yes, ma'am.
Dynamite, I shall blow the boiler room with this useless bucket of bolts sky high! Ha ha
Of course, I got hundreds on tandem. Oh, that's that.
Exactly. Answer me to my test. You like Joe.
Yeah.
Well, what did the umpire say?
What?
Well, he said, strike! And answer me to my test, and that's my scheme is complete.
Be quiet! Someone's home! We must be sleeping together! Oh, Mr. Caldwell Cavalier! What are you doing here?
Why, Miss Harmony, what a distinct pleasure. How nice to have you meet me.
If there is anything I can help you with, Mr. Cavalier, please let me know.
Little minx, she's playing right into my hands. Let me take you away from all this. Come with me to the Prometheus, where we shall rule the river as king. And we, come with me, and I shall show you what I know.
Mr. Cavalier! I hardly know you!
Knowing each other is so great. Love is about romance, mystery, danger. She knows what I'm talking about. You are young. I am beautiful. I am rich, charming, and
Old?
older. What was I? Rich, charming. Oh yes, and roguishly handsome. We were meant to be together.
Please, sir! My heart belongs to Diane Darby.
What has he got that I don't? Not a word. Say your mind and my wealth is yours. Cash, stock options, Taylor Swift tickets.
I knew you were trouble.
Take it off and say you are mine. Hit it. Sorry.
Forget about the dog. Let's just do our time and get out of here.
Be quiet, you hussy. You had your chance, but this lovely little morsel shall sit in my right side. Today, I rule the Mississippi River. Tomorrow, the rivers of America.
I thought we had a deal.
I am altering the deal. Pray I don't alter it any further. Now, out of my sight. Promise of right. Now, Heather, my dear, you shall be mine.
mean. She's gonna scrape her bottom. And when I find out, I know. And when I find out who did this to my Cordelia Kay, I'm gonna tear that vomit limb from limb! I'm gonna go find my bed.
All right.
Mr. Darling! Captain Harmony!
Oh, goodness.
Come on! Stop! Think head in your life!
Oh, Miss Sabrina, what are you doing here?
I've come to warn you! I know who killed Lance Little! Bad your crew of bad shit! And dropped dynamite into the boiler! It was Caldwell
Oh, he said he was a bad guy in the opening number. Why didn't I think of that? But how do you know all of this?
Okay, let's pick it up. Because I was his accomplice.
Well, congrats on your accomplishments.
No, I was in league with Caldwell and Ted Butler. But I had no idea he was due to murder and kidnapping.
Kidnapping?
Yes, even now, he's Miss Heather away to his evil, yet tastefully decorated his academy of the Prometheus.
Well, then we have no time to spare. We must save Miss Harmony. Oh, good heavens, this looks like trouble.
What are we going to do?
Oh, I'll go on deck and steer the ship. You go down below. And now Captain Harmony take the course to get Kay afloat. Together we shall catch the Prometheus, save Miss Harmony, and cross the finish line to victory.
Come in, my little Boysenberry blossom! There is nothing to fear, my dear. Come with me, and I shall lay the world at your feet.
My heart beats only for Dad. Dad, Darby.
I understand when I sleep or come to your senses. If you deny me, you shall never leave the Prometheus alive.
You're alive, sir, if you harm one hair on that lovely head.
I'm afraid you're in no position to give orders, my friend.
Drop that girl, although you're sneaking, cheating, deceiving hair out.
We had a deal.
I am altering the deal. Pray I don't alter it any further. Let her go.
Miss Sabrina, take the wheel.
Not so fast, Charlie.
Fight! Struggle! Fight! Struggle! Scramble!
Dad, are you all right? I'm going back to it, Dad. He's dead. Oh, Dad, don't be dead. I learned to love the catfish jumping and the stops of the riverboats passing by our window.
Well, that's all I needed to hear.
Dad, how? Cat Walter shot you.
Well, it looks like this medal was lucky after all. It stopped the bullet. Victory is ours. Step aside, Miss Sabrina. We'll take over from here.
I'll go check on the captain down in the bottom room.
Oh, Miss Harmony, look. The finish line.
We won!
Go ahead and bring us on in, Miss Heather.
go.